While many municipal buildings are shut down during the COVID-19 crisis, town staff and departments are hard at work adapting to the change. The Westwood Police Station has closed to the public except for its lobby and restrooms in an emergency. There is also segregated access for patrol operations, investigative operations, and dispatch operations to preserve health and avoid potential cross-exposure of essential personnel. The station has also done the following: modified the type of calls that receive an in-person response to only emergencies, breaches of the peace, and services that cannot be accessed remotely, set up telereporting for non-priority calls, and video conferencing for if and when necessary, staggering of essential command administrative staffing, and directing remote work status for all eligible employees. The Department of Public Works is operating in skeleton mode with a 4-staff rotation in the field for day-to-day coverage, alongside a 3-day administrative staff rotation at Carby Street. The sewer staff consists of 3 pump station operators and has been rotating full-time duties each day to cover the 11 pumps in town. The Facilities Division has been working around the clock and work every night and on weekends to disinfect municipal buildings. The Council on Aging staff are on a rotating schedule and are available daily from 8 a.m. to 2 p.m. remotely only. All transportation, programs, and services have been suspended. Meals on Wheels is still available daily and will continue even during a shelter-in-place order. The Community and Economic Development Office is operating under a coordinated rotating schedule, with members alternating their work between at home and in office. Permitting applications, material requests, emails, and phone calls continue to be handled timely. Requests for inspections are being addressed on a case-by-case basis, and property owners, contractors, and tradesmen are being asked to provide written confirmation that no staff have had exposure to COVID-19. The Board of Health is working remotely, and an emergency phone line has been established for people with questions to call in. There are 2 staff working from the offices, and the board is processing day-to-day permitting, licensing, and inspection requirements. Only emergency field inspections are being conducted at this time. The fire department has increased its peak level staffing to cover 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. every day, as this is the highest call volume period. EMS universal precaution supplies, which includes gloves, gowns, surgical masks, and eye protection, have been increased. All fire inspections of occupied buildings and non-mission critical activities have been suspended. The building department has single-person office coverage on a rotating staff basis. Inspections continue to be scheduled and completed, with outdoor inspections continuing with social distant measures, and indoor inspections being delayed when possible. The Procurement Department is operating remotely, and all bid documents are posted on the town's website. Adjustments to the bid process are to ensure the safety of all involved, and bid documents have specific information regarding changes to bid submittal and public openings. The Veterans Department is making monthly checks on its members, and staff can be reached at their office.